and gentlemen, welcome back to Sounder Motors. J-Lab with you. Today I have this beautiful travel trailer for you. It's a unique layout. This is a 2017 Keystone Cougar 32 FBS. It is 35 feet long. We've got 3 slides, auto levelers. We've got some great options. Like I said, unique floor plan. We've got a front bunkhouse, which we'll get to in a bit. But first, we're going to open it up. We're going to show you the outside. Then we're going to show you the inside. Then we'll be done. So let's get to it. Alright, we got the Cougar opened up here. As I said, 32 FBS. We do have the Polar package, so 4-season camping is in play. Got a nice power awning here with our LED light strip underneath. We've got outdoor speakers. Got our aluminum wheels. Got a automatic leveling system, which doesn't always happen on these campers, but it is always nice to have. Because of this front bunk layout, we do have a little bit more unique front kitchen here with the sink, 2-burner stove, little mini fridge for all your soda. Got your auto leveling in here along with the battery disconnect. So that's under there. Up front, we have a power tongue jack. Got our propane and battery. Nice fiberglass front. This thing's in excellent condition. 2017, we have 0 DLAM. All systems have been serviced and functioning. Your front leveling jacks. This is a wardrobe slide for the front bunk. This is our main area living slide out with living area dinette, which we'll get to in a bit. Got your water heater right there. A little bit of storage underneath the bed. That's accessible from the outside, and then inside underneath the bed you have a little bit more access. Now this is a 50 amp hookup. Because it is wired for a second AC unit. Right now there's only one. You got roof access in the back and spare tire with the cover. Here's where we got our city water connection, all of that jazz in the docking station. And that is about it for the exterior. Let's head on inside. All right, as we come inside here, see we've got our slide outs out, obviously, and then we've got our sitting area and kitchen and dining area. But right inside here, we've got some storage, a little bit of coat hanger space in there. Above here, we've got our control panel, all 3 slide outs, the awning, and then some lights. Shut this door, keep some noise out. I'm gonna start with the front here. This guy up, and we've got a very spacious, very practical sleeping area, bunkhouse that'll sleep 4 when those cushions come out. So you got one on each of these bunks, and you got the front. Up here we do have a vent. The AC is ducted, so the one AC runs will run into here, but this is also wired for a second AC unit if you would like to install that. Also up here we have a nice little wardrobe system. That's the front slide out, so it's actually very functional. Lots of storage space, and then you've got your entertainment up front here, charging station, TV, all that jazz is right here. This top bunk is a 300-pound limit bunk, but yeah, 2 singles, and then you've got the fold-out cushions. So great space up front. Nice place to send the kids on a rainy day, keep them out of your hair. Not that you wouldn't want to spend time with them, because we obviously all would. In the kitchen space, we've got a double stainless steel sink. Got your microwave, oven, stove combo. Here's our tank readers, water pump, water heater, all that jazz is right there. And we have a Dometic fridge freezer combination. We are gas and or electric on this guy. So there's that. We have our entertainment center up front here. TV. Got your whole entertainment setup there. A little bit more storage above here as well. Fold out sofa. So technically here we've got 4 up front, 4 in here, and 2 in the back. So we're sleeping 10 in this guy if you want to. If you really want to max it out, we got a booth dinette. Table goes down. This is that main slide out here. There. Over here we've got our thermostat controlling our single AC, and then we got furnace heat. In the middle here we have our bathroom. Got some storage space in the corner there. Power vent. Sink with the medicine cabinet, and then we have our shower / tub combination with skylight. Nice setup here, lots of space. Actually have some storage that's usable inside the bathroom, which is nice. And then right outside of the bathroom, you've got this huge storage area right here. So that can be pantry for the kitchen, or it can be linens, or it can be whatever you want it to be, literally. I'm not your boss. In the back, we have our master bedroom. Big old bed on a slide out with the storage above. And then look at all that counter space and storage. Tons of storage. Big old wardrobes over here. One above and one below. And then got your TV hookups over there. And you have a vent up top. And obviously the ducted AC. Tons of space in here. And that's about it, folks. Oh, we do have a sliding door for privacy. But that is about it, folks. 2017 Keystone Cougar 32 FBS. If you folks have any questions about this camper, please give us a call at Souder Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.